Alright, welcome back to the channel. So we haven't made any Miata content since he raced my Mazda 6. So today we're gonna do a little build update of Calvin's NB1? Okay, NB1 Miata. Yeah, I didn't know if it's NB1 or NB2. It's gonna be a little bit more casual of a build breakdown because he is my brother and I've known him his whole life, so there's no need to be formal and stuff like that. But we're first gonna get the cold start and then we're gonna head over to get some boba because he wanted some. He ain't got no money, so I gotta buy it, so let's go over there. Nothing like the sound of a muffler deleted Miata in the morning, bruh. Poor neighbors. So like I said, we're getting boba. We chose 7 leaves because it has a drive-through and also we like 7 Leaves in general. So yeah, if 7 Leaves ever sees this video, please sponsor us. We come here too much and we're gonna go broke by buying your guys' drinks, but they're really good though, so please, if you guys have a drive-through 7 Leaves, I highly recommend you guys go. We ordered a large oolong milk tea with boba and a large house coffee, so hopefully that wakes us up for our build video.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks. Oh my god, there's no cup holders in here, so I have to hold it like this. Damn it. Anyways, we're gonna go to our shoot location and get the build video started. So even though I've known you your whole life, the viewers probably didn't or haven't, so introduce yourself, your Insta, and then also your car.
So my name is Calvin. On Instagram, I'm _ Calvin Kobayashi _ and this is my 1999 NB1 Miata.
Give us a little breakdown of why you chose the Miata and how you ended up buying it.
So I chose the Miata because our other brother Byron, he had one before, and like, dude would like always drift and stuff, and like from then I was just like, you know, I gotta get one for myself. And so how I got this, I was just looking on OfferUp for some Miatas. This one came up, it was a really good deal. I hit him up, no response, and then I hit him up again and he's like, come check it out, like there's a lot of buyers, so you have to check it out right now. So I just picked it up, did some maintenance, got it registered, and that's it.
Let's get into the mods that you've done to the car so far.
Basically, for exhaust wise, I just have a mid pipe, I have a little intake, I have a roll bar, suspension, and that's about it.
You want to give a little details on like the brands of those parts and stuff like that?
Intake and exhaust, it just came with the car. And then the roll bar is from Hard Dog Fabrication. The single diagonal, that one's really nice. Kind of a pain to install, but for the safety and chassis rigidity that it gives, it's worth it.
What about your coilovers?
Oh yeah, the coils, they're TNs from Toichiro. He sold them to me. When I installed the roll bar, I was lazy. I didn't want to trim the pieces and didn't want to put it back. So I got like a half strip going on. It doesn't really save that much, but you know, it gives me race car vibes, so I like it. And here's the roll bar, my favorite part of the interior. I added these stickers because, you know, 5 horsepower per sticker, and yeah, it looks pretty cool.
All right, so it looks like he's got about 25 extra horsepower, if I'm getting the math correct, but yeah, it looks really good.
Basically, I'm running a muffler delete as an exhaust, so I like how it sounds, but honestly, I wouldn't recommend it because, like, if you're daily driving, your trunk gets super hot, and if you have like groceries in there, it'll burn up like pretty bad, especially if you're consistent with the high RPMs.
So what do you like most about the Miata?
Honestly, I like how it like speaks to you when you drive it and how easily this thing swings. Like, Since I have some pretty like decent tires in the front and then bald tires in the rear, this thing just likes to oversteer all the time. And I love the feeling of when it just like crosses over from all grip to all slip.
But what are your future plans with the NB1 Miata?
Honestly, I'm looking into some swaps, ITB or a turbo build, but I'm for sure gonna get a upgraded cooling system for the track. Probably gonna get upgraded headers and better wheels for sure, because these ones are ugly and I need to go 15/8 to get more grip.
We're gonna get a little exhaust clip, but we gotta dip after because the feds are gonna get us. It's too loud. Yeah. All right, we're out. Let me get my 7 leaves and get the hell out of here. Hold that. So it was a bit of a mild build, but I just wanted to get a little update on the Miata, and we're gonna have Calvin close out the video.
For one, my car got a check engine, so you know, I gotta scan that right now, and then we just terrorized the neighborhood. So I don't know, it was worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, hopefully see you in the next video.
Also, we're gonna start using a GoPro to get more footage and different types of videos, so just stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the next upload.
Also, shout out to Janine for the GoPro. Thank you. We'll have her linked in the bio if you want to go follow her.